I found out that I have breast cancer from mammogram. My doctor sent me to have an X-ray on the breast. So the first time he said, something wrong, we will call you again. So I was surprised because year before that they didn't say anything. But that time he said, we will call you again. So I a little bit surprised. 2 weeks later, they called me. They said, we'll retake your X-ray again because we see something wrong, seeing something abnormal. So I went back. And later, they said, we found out something. So we would like to do a biopsy on your breast. So I said, okay. You do a biopsy first time, and there's a 2 little cell. We see some, but it's not clear, so we have to do second time. Then I have another biopsy done, and doctor said this was cancer, so we need to remove. So I said, any medicine to help? I said, no, only do surgery. So I agree. Without telling anybody, when doctor set schedule for surgery, and I took my family to meet with doctor for the first time, and they explained everything to me and to them. So my husband kind of let me hesitate what to say to decide with me, but I told him, don't worry. I want to be very strong to believe that. And I just decided to have surgery right away, a week later. So total time, I was about 6 weeks, and I have the surgery done. I'm very happy about the mammogram.
What prompted you to, why did you go get the mammogram?
My doctor said women in this country, when they age 35, 40 years old, need to go to have mammogram every year. So I follow his direction.
And you're glad you did?
Yes, I'm glad. I've listened to doctor too.
Now, in Laos, was that something you, when you heard that in our country, did that go against anything you had been brought up in Laos to learn?
When I think back, I think they don't believe that cancer is that danger. Couple years before we escaped our country, I heard they announced on the radio said cancer, so we never heard it before. So hard for us to believe that cancer is very dangerous for a woman or for anyone that got it.
Yet you did believe. Why?
I have many questions asked doctor, and one after doctor explained to me, so I trust them. I trust the Western doctor because I saw many cases. I saw a couple of my friends who have, they found out they have lumps in their breast, but they rather find the herbal medicine, but it doesn't help, and they pass away. So when I found out that I have some abnormal in my breast, I decided to have surgery as the doctor tell me to. And not because the doctor tell me to, but I believe I want to get better before that spread all over my body. If I wait that long, I will feel regretted. But now I'm happy. Yeah.
How are you feeling?
I'm doing good. Doing good. And happy and just live a normal life. So now I think I'm a lucky person to decide to do that. And I trust doctor and follow his instruction, follow his advice. That's why I'm here today.
What advice would you have for other women who are in your physician?
You mean the friend or the doctor?
Like friends, if friends hear a similar diagnosis, or would you tell them to go get the mammogram?
Oh, yes. Any friend, any woman asks me about it, I explain everything on my experience, and I ask them to go to mammogram every year. One doctor asks them to, so it won't be too late, because this kind of disease is not like you have a pimple and you can dig out, but this is something that spread very fast.